mind my throat. I'm having a really bad sore throat. My voice got croaky and throaty. Please do not mind that. But today I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys, and we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Violet box for the month of January. It just came in, so I thought I should unbox it with you guys. So yes, today I have a pair of scissors with me because I don't want to prove my barbarianism again and again and again on YouTube by just ripping apart the package with my hands. So if you don't know what a Violet box is, it is basically a monthly period subscription box. I will have all of the other information as well as previous unboxings in the bottom bar for you guys so that you can go ahead and check that out. But yes, this is what the box looks like for this month. It comes in the similar matte black packaging with golden foil written things over it. I don't know what am I speaking. But yes, this is the luxury curation by Bollywood singer Shruti Pathak. So yes, I'm gonna open my box up. And as usual, you get the butter paper right here, and the box just came apart, so I don't know how to react to that. Inside, obviously, the first thing you get is the card, which shows numerous girls who have been helped by Violet box and who have gotten proper sanitation because of you awesome guys who subscribe to the box. And then we have all of the things inside, and this is a luxury curation. So I'm gonna see what all do we have here. We don't have a letter this time. That is weird. Every time we have like a letter showing what all is there and why it is there, but this time we don't have a letter, so I'll see what all do we have. So the first thing we have is this Peppermint Pedicure Nourishing Foot Creme. This is what it looks like. It's a very good size and it's by the company called VCare. So this retails for 450 rupees, and this is how much product? This is a 100-gram product, so it's a really huge size. It comes in this beautiful baby pinkish color, which I really like, and as I said, it's a very good size. I'm quite impressed. And then we have another thing by the same company, Fuchsia by VCare. This is the Lavender and Calendula Hydrating Face Gel, again a 100-gram sample, and this is for 450 rupees as well. I really like the fact that they have given out such amazing sizes. You guys know whenever companies give out like samples in sachets, I'm like, really? So these samples are like extremely good. And we have another Fuchsia by VCare product. This is the Activated Charcoal Detoxifying Face and Body Scrub. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Again, it's a 100 ml or 100-gram product, and it retails for 450 rupees as well. So we have 3 things for 450 rupees already, which has covered the total cost of the box already, which is a big yay. Then we have this EL Paris French Science nail polish. It's a basic red color. This is in the shade 102 and it retails for 90 rupees. So we have that nail polish in there. Then we have a Wild Earth Rose Honey Face and Body Wash. This is how it comes in, and this retails for 75 rupees, and it is 35 ml. Again, it's a good size. At least it's like a reusable bottle and not a sachet, which is a really cool thing. I really like that. So this is what it looks like, and it smells, oh, it smells like a garden of roses. I really like the fragrance. Then we have Wild Nature Moisturizing Almond and Saffron Body Lotion, which is perfect for winters, and this smells beautiful, but it doesn't smell either like almond or saffron. It has a different fragrance altogether, but it smells beautiful. I cannot wait to try this out, especially for winters. I love trying out new moisturizers and lotions to see what suits my skin type. Then we have this Cambridge Tea Party Green Tea, Lime and Lemongrass. So we have some green tea, which I'm going to drink right after. It will also soothe my throat a little bit because it's like warm water. So basically you're just like giving your throat sake. So yeah, we have this green tea. Then we have this Beadle Instant Hand Sanitizer. It's in the citrus variant. Hand sanitizers are always a good option. You can carry them in your bag and always like have them handy because you never know when you need to wash your hands. So that's a good thing. And the last thing we have in here is this thing, which I'm not too sure what this is. Let me open it up. Oh, so it's a manicure kit. How cute is that? It's a manicure pedicure kit. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It has cuticle pusher, tweezer, filer, nail clippers, scissors. This is so cute. And it is so, handy. It is smaller than my phone. This is really cute. And that is everything you have in the violet box, and obviously a layer of hay or bhusa is down there just to, you know, keep everything fancier. So yeah, that is everything I got in my violet box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did, then don't forget to comment and subscribe. Also do check out Violet Box, and if you also support the initiative, then do not forget to subscribe to the box. Your subscription would mean that one girl in need will get proper sanitation, which is extremely good deed to do. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, and I will see you guys super soon. Till then, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, which will be listed in the bottom bar. And yeah, that's gonna be it. I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye.